Hello everyone, my name is Gulshan and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain the German grammar topic su plus infinitive in a simple and easy way. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more German learning content. Now let's get started. So, German infinitive. Introduction to su. So understanding the use of infinitive with su in German. The infinitive with su is a vital aspect of German grammar that connects verbs, adjectives, and nouns to the intended actions. In essence, it forms phrases that express purpose or intention. For example, ich versuche, I try, ich versuche Deutsch zu lernen, means I try to learn German, illustrating its practical application in everyday conversation. So, su plus infinity is a very useful in everyday conversation. Definition. Infinitive mitsu. Infinitive mitsu means to plus verb in English. In German, many verbs are used with su plus infinitive. Point to be noted. In German, many verbs are used with su plus infinitive. Structure su plus infinitive verb at the end. So we will use the infinitive verb at the end of the sentence. For example, lernen. Zu lernen means to learn. Gehen. Zu gehen. To go. The su comes before the infinitive. The su comes before the infinitive and the infinitive goes to the end of the sentence and the infinitive goes to the end of the sentence. Part 2. Infinitive mitsu after certain verbs. So we have some certain verbs. Some verbs are always followed by su plus infinitive. Common B1 verbs. Versuchen means to try. Planen to plan. Hoffen to hope. Vergessen to forget. Versprechen to promise. Beginnen to begin. Aufhören to stop. What is the sentence making structure? Subject, verb, su plus infinitive. So we will place the subject at the first. After the subject, we will place the verb, then su, then infinitive. Examples. Ich versuche Deutsch zu lernen. I try to learn German. Er hofft bald zu kommen. He hopes to come soon. Wir planen, nach Berlin zu fahren. Wir planen, nach Berlin zu fahren. We plan to go to Berlin. Part 3. Infinitive mitsu after adjectives plus sein or finden. Very common at B1. Structure as ist or ich finde as plus adjective plus su plus infinitive. Common adjectives. Wichtig means important. Gut means good. Schwer means difficult. Leicht means easy. Interessant means interesting. Notwendig means necessary. Examples. Es ist wichtig, Deutsch zu lernen. It is important to learn German. If you want to survive in Germany. Ich finde es schwer, früh aufzustehen. I find it difficult to get up early. So we have trennbare verb Here, aufzustehen. Aufzustehen is a trennbare verb. So, we will place zu between the verb auf plus zu plus stehen because it is a trennbare verb. Es ist gut, viel Wasser zu trinken. It is good to drink a lot of water. Part 4. Infinitive mit zu after nouns plus haben or machen. Here we use nomen. Nouns like Zeit means time, Lust means desire, Angst means fear, Möglichkeit means possibility, Problem means problem. Often with haben or machen. Sentence making structure: subject, haben or machen plus noun plus zu plus infinitive. Examples: Ich habe Zeit, dich zu treffen. I have time to meet you. Sie hat Angst, allein zu gehen. She's afraid to go alone. Wir haben Lust, ins Kino zu gehen. We feel like going to the cinema. Macht den Fehler, zu spät zu kommen. Macht den Fehler, zu spät zu kommen. He makes the mistake of coming late.